Hello my people, it's your boy once again. It's your boy Tony Mushiri Official on YouTube. I go by the name Tony Mushiri Official. Kindly support me by watching my videos, kindly support me by liking my videos and sharing. So this is where I'm starting my video from. So this is one of my souls. This is my pig project. This is my pig unit. Yeah. Nataka kuosha nguruwe. Nataka nioshe nguruwe. So this is Mawera. This is my elder brother's son, Mawera. So I know he'll be disturbing a bit by calling me with time, but I want to do the cleaning. So this is where I have the bucket. This is where I usually mix the pig fins, but I'm going to use this bucket to just put some water that I will be pouring on the floor. You can see the pig has defecated. I want to give my pig some treat. Yeah, you'll see how they love water. It will be so quiet. It will just enjoy the whole process. But first I'm going to start by pouring water to ensure I pour water all over it and just pour on the floor. And I'll be going even to the second pig unit. You can see they are a bit dirty. I'm going to clean them up. I want to give them some good treats. I, Madam Pig. So, can you support me by subscribing, liking, and sharing? Yes, Mawera? Yes, Mawera? Yeah. So, we got these are the male. I want to clean this place too. I'll be cleaning it. Mawera? Si tukae na wewe, but utulie tuoshe. Utulie tuoshe. Unaogopa nguruwe? Usiogope, si ndio? Tuoshe. So I want to give them some good treat. Mawera, unapotea nguruwe. So my brother's son is fearing the pigs. So I'm just going to give them a good treat. So this is a very good breed. Yes, Mawera? Unaogopa. So I'm telling him he is fearing. Unaogopa. Kwa nini unakimbia? Kuja hapa niamini haogopi. Kuja usimame hapa. Kuja usimame hapa niamini haogopi. So you can see these so usually want to be tapped. Yeah, they want to be tapped. They are used to me. They usually know that I usually clean them. And as you can see, this one is very pregnant, but I'm going to clean them. Once it has given birth, I'll give it an injection to prevent this kind of you can see the skin is trying to come out. There is an injection I need to give them, but because it is every pregnant, I can't give it the injection right now, but next week I'll come and inject those ones. So there are some ones that usually affect them, and you're supposed to give it an injection to prevent those kind of worms. So I've always been teaching you more about pig farming. I've been telling you about the water nipples, how you're supposed to construct a good pig unit. Those who have been watching my videos, I've shared so much information about pigs. And if you want to know, if you want to keep knowing more about pig, if you want to start such kind of a project that is very profitable, just be watching my videos. All the time I want to be doing the pig stuff. I'll be doing some other stuff, but once in a while I'll be dropping a video about the pig project. When you're doing it and when you're taking it very serious as a business, it pays off. Yeah, you have to be very serious with such kind of a project, because you can see it is costly to build such kind of a structure. I am blasting these stones, that the ones that I built with. The ones that I built with, have shared everything about how it went through. So these are the remains of the stones that are blasted. I carried them all the way from downstream. We got some river down there where we usually used to fetch some water. So now what I'm going to do, because I want to give these pigs some good treat, I want to go and open the tap. So I want to go and open the tap. Yes, Mawera. So this is a tap. So once I open the tap, we got this valve, gate valve. So this pipe usually take the water to the pig structure. So Mawera, tuende. So these are young guys are usually very energetic. Yeah, hiyo ndio nguruwe. So this one I'm just going to fast, so you can see the water is moving from here. It's very hot. Hii ni moto, acha kwanza itoka toke. So Mawira is saying you want to drink water. Utakunywa hii? Nikupe utakunywa? Hapana. Masulikuwa asema unataka ukunywa. Like you were saying you want to drink the water but you has changed the mind. Nioshe nguruwe. So Mawira is telling me to just do my stuff and clean the pig. Nioshe nguruwe. So this is what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to ensure that I pour. It is going to enjoy. It is going to enjoy. I'm just going to sprinkle water first before I get in and just do some cleaning. So for now, I'm just going to do like this. If there's something pigs love is water and cleanliness. Pigs are usually very clean animals. That's one thing people don't understand. Pigs usually love to be cleaned. Pigs usually enjoy water a lot. So this is a very good mother. There were 2 of them. In fact there were 3 of them, but there's a time I was fixed up and I had no option. I had to just take 2 of them to the slaughter. So this is the one that I chose to be left with because it had very good mothering ability. So you can see it's huge. This one is not a joke. This pig is so huge. Yeah. You can see the belly. If you take keen on it, you can see piglets are you can see them moving. If you take some good keen, you will notice that when the mother is happy because it is a joy. Yes, Mawira? Usiruke. I'm telling him not to jump from there. If he jumps, he will fall down. Mawira, usiruke. Yeah. So the reason I'm pouring the water, and I'm going to pour the water also in this place to ensure that everything goes on well. So this one may be a bit wrong. It may be a longer video because I'm just going to get inside and just try to wash it. Yeah, so guys, it's a boy. You may be asking, who is this? It's a boy. It's a boy. This is what I love doing. It is something that I know God created me for. Is to take care of animals, like to do farming. By farming farming will pay me off, and I love doing it. I'm not that person who is very comfortable when I'm staying in an office, but even if it happens I'm doing an office job, I would want to have my time whereby I can go and relax and just be with my pigs. It is a time I usually feel good. It is a time I usually feel very comfortable. Is when I'm doing such kind of works. When, like, I usually feel so good when I'm seeing my pigs enjoy taking care of animals. This one to me is more of a therapy. This one is more of a therapy to me. You can see the way it is clean. You can see it's becoming clean and I've not washed it yet. This one to me is more than a therapy. I love animals for sure. I love animals a lot, and I thank God for putting that kind of an habit. Is it an habit or inside me? I'm not a person who can be indoors for so long. Like, I rather go out and take care of animals. Only that we have been staying, I don't have animals around me, but very soon I'm planning to start with the chicken. If everything goes on well, I need some capital to build some chicken structure. Once I'm done, I'll bring in some chicken, and also have a place where I want to build my dream house. Once I'm done, I relocate all these pigs from this place, and I want to have them close so that I can be cleaning them at least twice in a day, because not twice in a day, at least twice or thrice in a week. Yes, Mawira? Acha ikaa hivyo usizime. So guys, allow me to get inside. I'm just going to get inside. You're just going to see the whole process. I'm trying to pull in and I got this broom that I've come with. Yeah, I've come with this broom. So this is what I'm going to be using. So I'll be pressing, because I'll be pressing my camera here. And once I put it here, you will allow me get inside and come and get inside and start cleaning the pig. So just enjoy the whole video. I may not be that audible, so I may not talk now. You are just going to see the whole process how I'm going to do it. So enjoy the video, keep on watching. So guys, I was trying to place the camera and I'm going to get inside and start my thing. So first I put the bloom in, and then I'll be using this one. It's a bit dirty, but this is what I'm going to be using to just clean it. Once I pour some water, it will be clean. So I put it aside. Yeah. So simu yangu si nimeweka huko. Kwani si lafi. So guys, I'm going to get in. Those are my hands. I'm going to get in from this point. I'm inside now, so I want to start. Si nimeingia? Nimeingia.
Angka sini, angka dia kuku apa? Dari apa kuku? Dari kuku apa? Angka sini, dari kuku. Hah?
Usivute. Ndio hii.
Iko wapi?
Iko huku niko.
Iko wapi Uncle Sidi?
Wewe unaogopa nguruwe? Nguruwe haiulizanangi. Nguruwe? Haiulizanangi.
Inauma.
Yeah?
Mimi itauma.
Utaumwa. Utaumwa.
Ni wage. Nichape. Leo sikuchapi. Nichape nguruwe nioge.
Nguruwe? Nguruwe haiumangi.
Hiyo nguruwe itaingia.
Ati nini?
Ile iko hapo.
Nioshe nguruwe?
Sasa ile.
Tumekataa kunisaidia? Tumekataa kunisaidia?
Hakuna.
Utanisaidia?
Naingia hapa kabisa.
Tunaona imekuwa safi sana. Naona nguruwe sasa iko safi. You can see how the saw looks green. So maybe you may be wondering why this part is black and put some oil. There were some bitings, there were some flies that were biting it. So and tried even spraying the whole structure, but the flies kept on biting. Yes, Mawera. So you can see it's a bit green. Now what I'm remaining with is cleaning all this place. I know some of you may be asking why I'm not wearing some gauntlets, but anyway, I don't know who displaced my gumboots. I've just been able to find one. I'm not saying I've not found the partner, so I just chose to get in using some sandals, which is not okay. It is not hygienic. So you can see this one is so clean now, very clean indeed. You can just pour some water. Mawira is calling me. Mawira is calling me. Niambie, sema kitu. Sema hi. Yeah, so I just keep. So the soil is very clean, It didn't very clean. With that one, I think now I'm going to wash the structure. And before that, I don't know if this pipe is going to allow me. I want to just pour some water to these other, so they can be getting wet, so that I can be able to clean them with ease. Yeah. So that it will be easy to clean them. So yeah, I want to get that dirt too. With that one, I'm going to find them when they are a bit, it won't be hard to clean them. The male is that one is it has fallen down. You can see how they are joined. Pigs and water, you can't separate pigs and water. Can you imagine these are 5.5 months? And you can see they are good. Yeah. So when they are like that, I've ensured that I've poured the water all through, they are all covered, so it will be easy to clean them. Once I'm done with these two, I'll get into the other unit. You can see the male there. It is on that file. So for now, yes, Mawera, niko huku. So I'm just done. Yeah. So I'm just enjoying doing this, my people. I love doing this. So let me get started. I want to clean this place. Yes, Mawera, nitakutengenezea nikimaliza. I'm telling Mawera, that's my brother's firstborn. Once I'm done is when I will take care of him. Toto. Yeah. So that's my mom there. Adi mtoto mgani? So just enjoy as I keep on. I want to clean the structure. I'll be showing you once I'm done. So I'm done with this unit. I'm going to the second unit where my younger brother is. So just going to get inside and we start cleaning. Yeah. So you'll just enjoy the video. Here you can see the structure is very clean. The soil is very clean. Pig pen 1, pig pen 2. Pigs very clean. They look as if I've brushed them. Very clean. This boar, 5.5 months. Yep. This must be weighing around 57 to 60 kgs. So at 6 months, I can target 70 kgs, which is good. Very good. So simply, that is it, my people. And that's your boy. Thank you for your subscription. Thank you for your continuous support. Clean the pigs all. I'm just done. So let's catch up in another video. I was giving my pigs some treat. Let's say bye bye.